Good morning, my all dear students. Hope all of you safe and sound at your home and study properly whatever your teacher taught through online classes. Now I welcome all of you once again with a new lesson of your class 9 English literature from English literature, that is Tom Sawyer, written by Mark Twain. Dear students, this is a very interesting story which tells us about the intelligence of Tom Sawyer. Let us introduce the main character of this story. The main character of the story is Tom Sawyer, who is very naughty and intelligent boy, have lost her parents, and after lost her parents, he lived with his Aunt Polly. Second main character is Aunt Polly, who is Tom Sawyer's aunt. After the death of Tom Sawyer's parents, she cared him. Third main character is Ben Roger, who is a friend of Tom Sawyer. Next character is the cat, who behaved madly after taking the medicine. Now let I introduce short summary of this story, that is Tom Sawyer was a very naughty boy and he is very intelligent also. He was brought up by his Aunt Polly after the death of his parents. She loved him a lot, but she often had to be strict with him as he was very naughty. She thought that if she will not punish him, he will grow up lazy and weak. The story tells how Tom, by using his intelligence, got rid of punishment of whitewashing of the fence given by his Aunt Polly. He escaped himself from not taking the medicine when he was ill. Thus, the story shows his intelligence. Let us see what happened with Tom in this story. I am going to start the first lesson. See at your book and trying to listen me. Tom, no answer. Tom, no answer. Where can he be? Aunt Polly asked herself. He must be somewhere here. She went to the door, looked out into the garden, and then shouted again, Tom, Tom. No answer. The old lady stood there thoughtfully. Suddenly she heard a sound behind her. She turned round quickly. There was Tom near the cupboard door. There was jam all around his mouth. This is the first paragraph of this story, where Aunt Polly shouted Tom, Tom, but Tom did not answer. She shouted again and again for many times, but Tom did not answer any time. She went to the garden, looked him, There is not Tom there. After that, she looked out into the garden and then shouted again, Tom, Tom, but at this time Tom did not answer. The old lady stood one place thoughtfully. She said to herself, he must be somewhere here. He did not go anywhere. He must be somewhere here. She stood thoughtfully with a silent position. After a few minutes, she heard a sound behind herself. When she heard a sound behind herself, she turned round quickly. At once, she saw there was a Tom near the cupboard door, and there is jam all around his mouth. Aunt, what have you been doing? Aunt Polly asked angrily. Seeing Aunt near the cupboard door, Aunt Polly asked him angrily, what are you doing there? When Tom did not answer, she went on, you have been stealing the jam again. Don't tell me that you have not. I told you 100 times to keep away from that cupboard. Aunt Polly asked Tom, why? Why did you came here? Why did you come here? I have to told you many times, keep away from this cupboard. I told you 100 times, many times, don't go there. But how dare you to come here, open the cupboard door and steal the jam? Where is my stick? Aunt Polly took her stick and raised it high. She was about to strike Tom hard. After saying that, Aunt Polly did not control her anger. She asked herself, where is my stick? And she picked a stick and raised it high. She was about to beat Tom. Look behind you, Auntie, shouted Tom. Aunt Polly looked behind her. This was Tom's chance. He rushed out of the house. He climbed over the fence. Soon he was far away. When Tom was punished by his aunt, or you can say, when Aunt Polly was about to beat Tom, at the same time Tom shouted, look behind Auntie. And as soon as his aunt looked behind, it was the time for Tom. It was the chance for Tom, and Tom ran away quickly from there, and very soon he was far away with his aunt. Let us see the second paragraph. Aunt Polly was angry, but she had to laugh. Aunt Polly was angry, but she had to laugh. Aunt Polly was very angry to see Tom's behavior, but soon she began to laugh by thinking that naughtiness about Tom. He is a bad boy. She said herself, he is a bad boy. She said to herself, but I love him. He is my poor dead sister's boy. He is my poor dead sister's boy, so I love him very much. I did not want to punish him. I must look after him after the death of his parents. I don't like to hurt him, but I have to. And Polly also said to herself, she did not like to hurt himself, but she had to do. If she did not punish him, he will grow up lazy and weak. Yes, thinking that she must be strict, उसे अपनी टॉम के प्रति कठोर होना चाहिए, ऐसा विचार करके Aunt Polly said, I have to punish him for stealing the jam, but how? Aunt Polly want to punish Tom because Tom was stealing the jam. But how? She did not know. She did not think how she punished Tom. Soon an idea came into her mind. She knows tomorrow is Saturday. There is no school on Saturday. The boys have a holiday, but I'll make Tom work. That will punish him. She thought tomorrow will be a holiday, as tomorrow will be Saturday. In those times, Saturday will be a holiday for the students, and in modern time, in present time, Sunday will be a holiday for every students. The next day was Saturday. The school was shut. All the boys in the village were free. It was a beautiful day. The next day was Saturday, and it was a very beautiful and lovely day because all the boys in the village were free. Schools were shut and boys were free, so it is very charming day for the boys. All the students like you love holiday. आप जैसे सभी बच्चे अत्यधिक प्रसन्न होते हैं जब विद्यालय बंद होते हैं, तो उन दिनों की भी ऐसी कुछ विशेषताएं थी. It was beautiful day. The sun was shining and birds were singing. The trees and flowers looked so fresh and lovely. Tom, of course, wanted to go for swimming. All the other boys were going. The boys in the village were going for the swimming. Tom also wanted to go with them, but how? He did not know. Because his aunt punished him to whitewash the fence of the garden. He did not know how did he manage to join the boys of village who were going for swimming. Now, dear students, I have explained first two paragraphs of this lesson, and I hope you all have to read this lesson for many times and note down the difficult words from this lesson and learn it, because word meaning is very important for you. It plays a very important role to learning English language or any language. Meanings is very important for all of you. So note down all the difficult words from this lesson and learn. When I come back in my next class, I will explain the other paragraph, remaining paragraph. Till then, watch the video and learn a lot. Wish you happy day. Thank you. Have a nice day.